Okay, we're going to describe the rational function 4 divided by the quantity x minus 4 plus 5. Well, first off, one thing that might help is just to go to your calculator and graph it. You can see I typed it in right here in my f of 1. And I can see that, and I know this, you'll see this plus 5 up here. I know there's a horizontal asymptote at y equals 5 because it has that plus 5 on the outside here. I also know if I find the vertical asymptote, set the denominator equal to 0, which I can look at the graphs. X minus 4 equals 0. So you add 4 to each side. So there's a vertical asymptote at x equals 4. All right. One way to describe it. And then in this one here, we're going to solve for this equation, for this rational function. And basically what I'm going to do is, really I'm going to cross multiply, but as a math teacher, I'm getting in a sense a common, like a denominator type of thing. Is what's going to happen is this here. I'm going to cross multiply here. If I take a common factor of x minus 3 times x plus 7 times each side, this x minus 3 will cancel here. So I have 5 times x plus 7. And these x plus 7s will cancel here, so I'll have 3 times x minus 3. Then I'll distribute my property. 5 times the x plus 7 is 35. Now distribute the 3 to each side. So it'll be 3x minus 9. Take 3 times each of these. I'm going to minus 3x from each side. I'm going to minus 35 from each side. And then divide by 2. And x would be negative 22. So if I put a negative 22 in here, I will get the same exact answer.